In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create 3 beautiful centerpieces perfect for your Thanksgiving and fall gathering this fall, while keeping a low budget using thrifted and Dollar Tree items.
Hi, I'm Loli, and I'm so glad you are here.
For our first centerpiece, I'm going to use this thrifted pumpkin that I got for, I believe, for $3, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to give it a nice cleaning using some of this Glass Plus from Dollar Tree. Then I took this beautiful charger that I found this year at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue a piece of floral foam right at its center. Then I'm going to take this candle that I got from Dollar Tree. I got this about 2 years ago. And I'm just going to fit it through the pumpkin slots there, right onto the center of this metal pumpkin. To keep the candle from slipping and sliding, I'm adding a little bit of hot glue on the edges of the candle holder. And then I'm going to add the pumpkin onto the floral foam. Just going to press down so it stays in place. Then I'm going to take a variety of picks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with this boxwood. Actually, I think it's called eucalyptus from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut it into some sections, and the sections in which I only had one little piece, I add a little bit of hot glue onto it to avoid it from slipping off. And I'm just going to add this all around the pumpkin. Then I took some of these maple leaves from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut them into sections of 2 and put them around the pumpkin as well. I wanted the leaves to stick out a little bit, so once I cut it off, I bent the leaves up so that way it would look kind of like a hockey stick, and then I stick it into the foam so the leaves will be sticking out and upward. And with the leaves that did not have doubles, I just took a little bit of hot glue, added it to the stem, and I added it to the top section of the floral foam to cover it up. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, I hope you will consider subscribing. It is free and it means the world to me. And also hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. Alright friends, so once I was done with this pick, I'm going to use these beaded picks also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut them onto smaller sections. I'm using the heat gun there just to relax the leaf and give it back its form because it was pretty wrinkly. And then I'm just going to cut sections in there and put them in between the maple leaves that I added in before. This just gives an extra layer of texture and beauty. As I add the leaves, I keep adding and fluffing as I go along to make sure they cover up all of the floral foam. And then I wanted to add some more greenery to this. So I'm using this boxwood pick from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just adding it in between the bottom sections to make it more uniform. And that is it for this one. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments below. Today's video is part of the Thrift Flip Road Trip opening by collaboration, but I'm going to let Trish from Crafted Cousins explain.
Welcome to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. Today we're driving into an exciting open challenge brought to you by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and our special guest host, Jody at Southern Seasons. Watch as talented creators transform forgotten treasures into something extraordinary. And here's the best part. We're giving away fabulous prizes to 5 lucky winners. Prizes include a Dremel Rotary Toolkit from Homeridge Studio, a micro sander and a pair of miter snips from Happiness Created, a $25 Amazon gift card from Farmhouse Frugally, and 2 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins. To enter, just watch the September Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. You must comment on every video to be eligible to win. Mark your calendar for September 28th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. I'm sorry, due to shipping costs, the giveaway is only open to U.S. residents. Don't miss out on this chance to win, and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
With that being said, let's get on to the next inspiration. I'm going to use this candle holder that I've got from a local thrift shop. I'm going to remove all that old greenery from it. And I'm going to use that charger plate that I also got at Dollar Tree. First, we're going to clean the candle holder very well using some glass cleaner. Then I added a little bit of hot glue to the bottom section of the candle holder just to keep it in place onto that charger. I am not expecting it to stick to the charger, but I just wanted to keep it from slipping and sliding. Then I took some of these leaves from Dollar Tree and I'm going to add them here and there. First, I'm going to add them here and there without adding any glue to it. I want to make sure that I have them in the places in which I like them. And now that I'm happy with the positioning, I'm going to come in with my hot glue and add hot glue to small sections of the stems of my leaves and stick them onto the metal candle holder. Once they're all adhered, I'm going to take some of these pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree and distribute them in different sections. I added 2 in the front here and 1 in the back. And I'm going to come in with a different set of pumpkins from Dollar Tree as well and put them on the back and the front, trying to form a pattern of 2 to 1 on each side. Then I took some of these emergency lights from Dollar Tree. I got 2 packets. I'm going to be using 3 of these. And then I'm going to cover them with some Mod Podge. Then I'm going to cover it with this celery color from Waverly. Once they were dry, I'm going to seal them up with some Mod Podge as well. Now they are dry, and we are going to add them on to our candle holder. I added some batteries to them. They take AAA batteries, 2 each. The candles are very bright and halogen. I just want to add some yellow from Dollar Tree to the tips just to turn it down a little bit, so it will fit the more antique look of this candle holder. I simply repeated the same process with all 3, and that is it. You let me know what you think in the comment section below. For the next project, we will be using this bowl that I got for 50 cents at my local thrift shop and this new candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a combination of E6000 and hot glue to the rim of the candle holder. And then I'm going to position it to the bottom of the bowl. It is actually a perfect fit. Then I took some spackle from Dollar Tree and I'm going to fill in the crack between the 2 pieces. I want to take a quick moment to say thank you to my subscribers for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. All these actions help my channel grow, and I appreciate you so much for them. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the Loli D's Creations family and subscribe. It is free and it means the world to me. Once I was done with this spackle, I just took some water and I'm putting it on my finger and I'm smoothing out all of this spackle onto there, so it will be a seamless transition. Once it dried, I'm coming by with my sanding zip sander there, and I'm just removing all the excess and making sure that everything is nice and smooth. And now it's time to cover the plastic section with some Mod Podge. Then I took most from Waverly and covered the whole thing. Now I'm taking celery from Waverly and a distress brush, and I'm going to just dry brush the celery on top of the moss, and it just gives it this beautiful sanded look. And look how beautiful that finishes. Now I'm going to take some floral foam from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a piece and add some hot glue to the bottom of it and glue it to the bottom of my urn. And then using some more hot glue, I'm going to completely cover the floral foam with some floral moss. Then I'm going to take some florals from Dollar Tree for this as well. But first, I'm going to take a candle also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove all the plastic and we are going to place it right at the center of the floral foam. Now we are going to add the flowers all around of it. I'm just cutting it short and trying to space them out as best as I could in the same manner until I went completely around the entire urn. Some of the flowers are very wrinkled, so I'm just using the heat gun so I'm able to plop them up and make them look as beautiful all over again. Then I'm going to bring these kind of flowers from Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this yellow and red or just the red, so I went for the yellow with the orange or red. And I took the leaves and put them all the way to the top and then bent my wire right on there and stick them onto the floral foam. However, they were not want to go down. They just look like somebody giving Viagra. But anyway, I took on my heat gun, I bent it as you see there, added a little bit of heat, and that relaxed it and let them droop the way that I wanted. And I repeated this with all the pick all the way around the entire planter. And this turned out so beautiful. I just turned on my candle, and that is it. You let me know what you think in the comments below. And here are all the projects in all their glory. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. If you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you are more than welcome to binge away with this playlist as well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You're amazing. Bye.